For nearly a century, Cummins has been there to back you up through life's most powerful moments. The moments that change lives. The amazing moments and the not so amazing moments. We're there when you work and there when you're not working. We're there for the fishing and for the catch. For nearly 100 years, Cummins has built some of the world's most trusted, powerful engines and generators. And we've brought that same innovative design and engineering home with our Connect Series home standby generator. With its compact design, this generator easily blends into your landscape. And with its extremely quiet operation thanks to patented sound technology, your neighbors will hardly know it's there, generating peace of mind and enough power to back up your home when outages strike. And with our easy-to-use remote monitoring, you can control your generator from anywhere, making sure you don't miss any of life's most powerful moments.